All right, the next thing I want to do here is talk about something that I like to call the bidirectional traffic leech method. I know that sounds all fancy, but it's really pretty simple. What I want to do is, this is another reason why I want to do this full big example, is to show you a way to harness your traffic so that you can leech from your own purchased traffic to related t-shirts. So as we know, we've created 10 shirts and 5 shirts for one design and 5 shirts for the other design for 5 different NHL teams. So there's 2 shirts per team. Therefore, we can link those 2 shirts together for each team. Let me just do it with some old school here, using my drawing tool again. So we've got one design is the this is called the bleed design. The bleed design here. And then we have the other design, which is one more before I die. I should just go one for one more. And so we have the 5 designs like this. We've created these ones for each team. And then another 5 for over here as well. And what we want to do is link them together. So these 2 teams here, like these 2 shirts here, are going to be for the Boston Bruins, and say these 2 be for the Canadiens, the Kings, the Rangers, and then the Blackhawks. So put H for Hawks. So these 2 here. So what we want to do is we want to put a link on this campaign that points to this, that goes to this page, and then a link on this campaign that goes to this page. So we're looking at bidirectional traffic. So do the same thing over here, over here, over here, over here, and so on and so forth. Do for those 2 as well. And then what we'll be doing on Facebook is we'll be sending traffic to each and every one of these campaigns here. So Facebook is sending traffic to all of these ones on this side, here and here. And we also have ads sending traffic to these ones as well. So the idea is we got traffic coming into all these campaigns for the bleeding shirt, and traffic coming from all these campaigns to the one more shirt, but we have links that point back and forth. So the idea is someone comes along and sees this shirt and thinks, and sees the link, maybe might not like this one, go on over to this one and go, oh, I want to buy that one. What that does, it just sort of really helps you harness your traffic more, meaning you instead of wasting your traffic, you can harness a little bit more and push them over to your other campaign. And this will help get more traffic to your campaigns and basically give you more bang for your buck. That's sort of what it is. And I like to call it the bidirectional traffic leech method, because you're actually leeching traffic from one of your pages to another one, and you're doing the other way around as well, so it's bidirectional. So that's what we got to do, and it's really simple to do that. Like I'll just show you one, and then I'll just do the rest here. I'll pause it. Where's my? There it is. So we'll just do the one for Boston. So what I'll do is I want to edit the details for this one, but I also want to edit the details for the other one down here. So first I need the links. The links are just right here. So just right click, copy link address, and what I'll do is I'll just open up a little notepad here so I can see the links. And so I want to put this link on the other page to point back to this one, right? And I want to go get the other one as well here. Right click, copy link. I know which one is which because I put bleed and I put 1 in there. So actually it was a good idea that I didn't make that some random number. It's a little confusing. So okay, let's go into the first one there and add the link. So go edit details. And then right here you can go check out our other awesome design here. And so this one is the bleed, so I want to put it here. We can also do something like, it's probably better to go, if you want your favorite, if I can spell right here, favorite to win one more before you die, check out this new awesome design. Put the link there like that, and we can bold the whole thing. If you want your favorite team to win one more before you die, check out this new awesome design. That's it. So I'll actually just save that. I'll just bring up a Word document because I like it to be bold. Microsoft Word. So I'll just drop it in there. Obviously you don't want the link there, so I'll make it the same for all of them. And you notice again I didn't put the team name in there at all, just your favorite team. Now, the reason I'm doing that is because most words are copyrighted, like Boston Bruins. I don't want to put Boston or nothing like that, just to be on the safe side, right? And there's no need for it either, because I'm going to put Boston Bruins on the ad, and it's pretty obvious it's coming from Boston Bruins. I'm using my Boston fan page. So go ahead and save changes, and then we'll do that. And you can see it's right here, so if we click on it, we should go to the other one. It's good. Now let's edit this one. So I'm going to go back into my campaigns and go down to this one here and go edit details, and we'll just do the same thing there. So a space, and I'm just going to grab that text from my Word file. Make sure there's some spaces in between here, and all I need is that link, and we saved it in that text file. And the one we want is the bleed one. Save that. And it takes sometimes it takes a bit for it to update. The last one updated immediately. I don't know, sometimes it immediately updates, sometimes it doesn't. So that's how I will cross promote each one of my related t-shirts. That's why it's really cool to sort of make two designs for several different teams, so you can cross promote all at the same time. I'm sort of doing two things at once here, trying to test a whole bunch of shirts that are going to sell for a bunch of different teams, but also cross-selling. So kind of a lot going on here, and that's why I wanted to show this video, to really show you another way that some guys are killing it out there. Sorry, I just realized I messed up there when I made a link go back to the other shirt. I forgot to change the saying here because we're going back to the bleed shirt. So what you want to do there is add a different saying there. So I'll just change it to that. Check out this new alternate design, or awesome design. Sorry, take that out of there. Just other awesome design. How's that? And then one really good thing to do is actually take an image and put it right in there of the other design. So that works as well too. But for this example, I'm just going to stick with a link for now. So we'll save that. And that's what we want. So what I'll do is I'll just go and pause the video and apply that to all of the other designs as well.